Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. Today we're going to show you how to replace a serpentine belt pulley tensioner. So first thing, we have to loosen the tension on the belt. That's with this tensioner here. On this particular tensioner, you do not grab this bolt. You just have to look and see how your tensioner releases. This one uses a 3/8 square drive, just like a ratchet. So we've got a small breaker bar here. Just gonna push down, take the tension off. We're gonna slide the belt off of the idler pulley. Then we're just gonna remove the tension here. And then just pull it away from the engine. This tensioner came with a new bolt, so we're gonna slide that in here. This little prong here lines up with a hole on the bracket. Make sure that that little tab lines up into the block. Now this gets torqued to 37 pound-feet. Now we need to put the belt back on, so we're gonna take the tension off. Slip the belt around it and bring it down around the idler pulley. Then let the tension off, remove your tool, and that's all there is to replacing the tensioner pulley on your engine. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.